Now what I want to show you is if I go into the dimensioning again, DI for dimension, and I go up to the top and I can say wall faces, don't give me individual references, but give me the entire wall. And I can click on options, and I'm going to say intersecting walls, and then I can click on any wall I want, and you can see automatically that's giving me the dimensions for the entire wall and the widths of all the intersecting walls through here. So I can do DI again, that's those walls, I might pull that out, and so we're going to quickly start dimensioning the project with all the intersecting walls, which is great. What we can also do is DI, dimension, and say give me the opening. So I can go to the Architecture tab and place a door. So I'm going to click on a door in through here, and I might also go to the Architecture tab, then click on a window. I might place 2 windows in there, just them so that they're on the other side. I'm clicking that. These little arrows mean the external side. They always show the external side. So I'm going to do DI again, wall faces options, and this time I'm going to uncheck intersecting walls and say give the opening widths, and I'm going to click on OK. Now I'm going to click on this wall and it's giving me the dimensions of all the openings in this wall. The nice thing about Revit is that it's connected to the object as I showed you beforehand, so if I move the window, I'm going to hold down Shift and an arrow key, or I can just use my arrow key to move it. The dimensions are changing as well. Or I could just click on the window and I could say make that 2 meters, and that would then move it 2 meters. So you would never need to really go back and change dimensions. Dimensions are always linked to the objects. The last thing that I want to show you is you can also get it to snap to your grid lines. So I'm going to do DI one more time. I'm going to say entire walls options, and then I could say give me the intersecting grids, and sorry, I'll just cancel that. I'll draw some grid lines first of all. So I'm going to go to the Aperture tab, Grid Line, and I might draw some grid lines. I'm just going to draw it through here. Now I can go DI, Entire Walls, Options, Intersecting Grid Lines, click OK, click on that wall. And there we go. We've got the dimensions for the wall and all the intersecting grids.